back with another two great off-campus opportunities. That is the Blinkit test. Blinkit is hiring for the product management role from the Zomato company, and another one is the AI hackathon from the Economic Times company, and the team size is the 1 to 4. So let's start the video. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will daily share the job updates. So this is the first job, that is the Blinkit replenishment team product manager recruitment, and this test is contained the total duration of 90 minutes, and this test is powered by the hackerrank platform. So these are the instructions provided by the Blinkit's product management recruitment team. So the test overview is the assessment has 3 parts and takes roughly 90 minutes in total. So they are giving total of 90 minutes to complete the test, and in total it is open book. Like you can use any AI tools or anything you want, any documentation, internet, or any reference material. Like so you can use any AI tool such as Copilot, Claude, or ChatGPT, Gemini, anything, and documentations like any books or anything, and any reference material such as any books, notes, or anything you want, you can use, and you have to complete this test at any cost. And it is like open books exam. Want to brush up upon, like what you have to like learn metrics like reading cohort charts, funnel arithmetics, leading or versus lagging indicators, diagnosing metrics. These are the metrics you have to lead and understand. Drops, no statistics beyond ratios and percentages. You have to learn about all these things. Probability, like basic probability rules, expected values, conditional probability, inclusion, exclusion, and high school level, like no distribution or calculus such means. So this is mainly for the product management, like a technical analysts are somewhat, Python data scientists are somewhat too. So you have to know about the metrics, probability, and the product judgment. So this mainly for the product judgment role. You have to prioritize the framework like RISE, knapsack, or trade-off reasoning, A/B testing, validity. You have to know all these things, and they are mainly hiring the people who know the Python language. So in Python, you have to know the libraries such as Pandas, group by, merge, rolling windows, apply. Like means like no machine learning or any visualization is needed. You may have to know about Python about these concepts only. So SQL, this is the main things they needed, like to load a database. So as you know that SQL contains the aggregations, joins, window functions like row number, rank, filtering, primary queries run on the DB. You have to know all the things. And you, so standard SQL syntax applies, like you have to know about the standard SQL syntax also. So instructions like this is the time test base. Make sure you are not interrupted during the test, like any internet interrupts or any data interrupts. So don't do like that. Please sit in the internet connected area, as the timer cannot be passed once started. Means like when you go to the 35 minutes or 40 minutes, you can't able to pass. So please sit in a quiet place or in undisturbed place. So you have to took the test in one take only. Please ensure you have a stable internet connection. So they recommend you to try the sample test. So when you click on the sample test will open. You have to take the test. See here how it is loading. So like you have to click on the solve and you have to solve the click. So when they click on the solve, it open the answer like, are you an expert on data structure? Which of the following data structure can arise from its beginning and end in big of n types? So you have to click the respected answers. So it it will save auto saved only. So let's back to the question. And before taking the test, please go through the FAQs to resolve our queries related to the test or the hackerrank platform. So when you click on the FAQs, like any queries are opens, like if you have any doubts or anything, these queries are open here, like test, interview, supports. When they click on the interview, so interview query will open like that only. So the test form, so you can click on the sample test and you can try a sample test. And the test format is like 3 forms, like MCQ, Python, and SQL. Then the questions contain in MCQ 30 questions, and in Python 1 question, and SQL only 1 question. You have to complete all the text section details, and the questions like from question 1 to question 30, multiple choice questions, and question 31 and 32 full stack data science questions. So don't forget to solve these questions. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will daily share the Java updates. Thank you for watching.